of my biggest regrets in life, I played high school football, right? High school football was a blast. I mean, I had so much fun, but I wasn't good enough to go to college. Well, first I didn't have the grades to go to college, so I couldn't get into college, and I wasn't a incredibly awesome, amazing athlete to go to college. But I remember loving football, but also I remember the regret of not giving it everything I got. Not leaving everything on the field, holding back just a little bit. Only giving maybe, not running as hard as I could run, not showing up and being 100% all in it. And I remember my last game. I remember the last play. I remember walking off the last play of the last game in high school football thinking, I'll never play again. I will never play this game again. Regret. I didn't give it everything I got. And still I took that, how you do one thing is how you do everything, right? I took that into life and I struggled and I just did mediocre. And when I flipped the beast mode switch and flipped that switch and decided to put everything you got into everything you do, it changed. So let me ask you a question. Are you truly, sincerely, honestly, before God, I swear, giving life everything you've got? Are you? Now, imagine life if you did. What would life be like if you did? What would your physical health be like? What would your financial life be like? What would your spiritual life be like? What would your family life be like? What would it be like? Now, I can tell you, I'm not perfect. I'm disciplined. Ask my wife. She's like, thinks I'm crazy. You know, but she's crazy too. But I'm not on all the time, but most of the 99.99999, time. But what would think about that for, just chew on that. What if you put everything you got into everything you do? Because the only thing stopping you is that voice, that internal battle of doubt. I don't know if I can do it. Fear. What if it doesn't happen? What if it doesn't work for me? What if I'm not good enough? What if I don't deserve it? That internal comfort. The pillow's soft. It's freezing outside. It's raining. I don't want to get up. Or that you're about to make a call to a seller. Well, what if they ask me a question I don't know? What if they want to make me an offer, but I make the wrong offer? What if I write the contract and I write it wrong and I get in trouble? Those are internal voices that stop you from success. Stop you from your fullest potential. Full potential. What would life be like at full potential? Guys, you would go back to wherever you're from, your market, your city, your state, and you're going to transform. You're going to shed off this old self, this skin of old self. and put on this new armor of resilience, you're going to talk to yourself. You're going to tell yourself how great you are. You're going to tell yourself, you know what? I'm a child of God. I am made perfect in his image. I can do anything and anything you want to accomplish. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. You can do anything. Yeah.